If you've got a lighting contractor business and you're looking for an affordable professional website, you're certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a website on the Mighty Sites platform for your light contractor business. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and sign up for that free trial and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it will ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week as well for various small businesses. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, lighting contractor. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's start Mighty Sites a few basic details so I can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, where it's operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe with all different small businesses. Look at that. Mighty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my business in a couple of seconds with the information I've just popped in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images. You'd like to showcase your work on your website and maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do so. It's super simple and you don't need to be that tech savvy at all. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. Just a quick look through each section, how simple it is to use the Mighty Sites platform. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, and the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is put in my email address over here. I'm going to make sure that box is ticked to make my email visible for my customers' convenience to reach out. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location, maybe you don't have an actual physical location, but if you do, pop it in over here, otherwise leave it off. Great thing about that physical location, when your website's live, on the top left-hand corner, your customers can actually click on the address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom, so your customers can easily find you on the social media channels, give you a follow, get some engagement going. For the next section, if you've got a logo, go ahead and pop it in over here. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out Canva. There's also another great free option called Hatchful if you don't have a huge budget for a logo designer. Once your logo has been uploaded, if you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames, you can click on that pencil, otherwise click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger or smaller to suit your needs. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, no color coding needed. Click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section that you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath that section. Head on over to update image. Over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You can play around for those keywords a bit, see which images pop up to suit your business. Now, we also have recently introduced a feature where you can actually connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram photos on your profile instead of uploading them all individually. Very convenient. So click on connect your Instagram account to pull in all those images directly. Under update action is where you can change those buttons, change the text on them and where they link to. If you take online bookings, perhaps you can link to another website. You can also upload a PDF file with your various rates and more details on your services, like a catalog or brochure. Under update contents is where you can change that pre-written content to make it more personalized to your business. Now, in the last section, we have a lead generation form. Over here is where your customers can easily reach out to you. You can keep track of your leads from this form in your Marti dashboard. You'll also find all your leads get automatically emailed to your registered email address. If you have a custom domain, you now have the option to connect it as well. Click on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we also recently introduced the feature where you can now purchase your domain via the Marti Sites platform to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website on the Marti Sites platform for your light contractor business. Really wishing you and your business Marti success.